Hello students, welcome back to our channel CNN Institute. This is Mr. Chari Annan, your faculty for IELTS. Now look at the main question. Please pause the video and study the question again to understand it better and to generate ideas to write the essay. Writing task 2. As you know, writing task 2 is an essay writing which is the same for academic and general training. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. This is a very important instruction because you have to finish the essay in 35 minutes and spend 5 minutes for proofreading. Of course, with our fixed templates, you can finish your essay in 30 minutes. Write about the following topic. Now look at the main question. In their advertising, businesses nowadays usually emphasize that their products are new in some way. Why is this? Do you think it is a positive or negative development? This is a combination type of essay in IELTS. In our types of essays, it is type 5. Why is this? Means what are the reasons? Okay, this is a part taken from our type 4, that is what are the reasons, effects and solutions. Do you think it is a positive or negative development? This question falls under type 3 category in our essays, in our types of essays. The types of essays are under type 3 or like this. What are the advantages and disadvantages? Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Is it a good thing or bad thing? Is it a positive or negative development? These types of essays fall under type 3 in our types of essays. Okay, so this is a combination of what are the reasons and positive and negative development. It falls under 5 in our types. Okay, it's a combination of type 4 and type 3. This is a combination type in IELTS. Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. This is a common instruction, of course, a very important one. Okay, because you have to give at least one example in your essay, preferably in the body of the essay. That means the second or the third paragraph in our style of writing. Okay, and your knowledge and experience will help you in writing the essay. Now look at the next instruction. Write at least 250 words. That means minimum 250, and of course there is no maximum limit, but restrict to 280 words to manage your time better. Before going to the explanation, please pause the video and study the question again. As you know, this is one of the ways of generating ideas to write essay in IELTS. Now look at our explanation with fixed templates. The first paragraph is the introduction. As you know, the first paragraph, the introduction, and the last one is the conclusion, and in between two paragraphs are the body of the essay. This is our style of writing. Please don't use any color pens, okay? Preferably write in pencil, okay? If you are taking a paper-based test, please write in pencil. If you are taking the computer-delivered test, of course you don't need to worry about pencil or pen. Look at this first paragraph. As this question seeks, I opine that there are some positive and negative developments to this question, and I also think that the positive developments of this issue outweigh the negative ones, which I will explore here. This is a fixed introduction for this type. This is mainly positive or negative development. That means advantages and disadvantages. So you take that fixed introduction. Okay, this is very easy. This is like advantages and disadvantages. In the place of advantages and disadvantages, you just put positive developments and negative developments. That will do. You need not learn extra fixed introduction. Okay, as this question seeks, I opine that I give my opinion, or I opine that there are some positive and negative developments to this question, and I also think that the positive developments of this question or this issue outnumber the negative ones, which I will explore here, discuss in detail or discuss deeply. This is the meaning of explore here. Okay? Learn it and write as it is. Now let's move to the second paragraph, which forms the body of the essay. Pause the video and study the second paragraph, then I'll explain to understand it better. Okay, now look at the second paragraph. On the one hand, there is indeed a phenomenal increase in this kind of commercial endorsement now. You can generate this idea, you can infer this sentence by understanding the question. Of course, this sentence, whenever there is increase in something, use this fixed template, this fixed sentence. On the one hand, because our type 3 essays start with this phrase, on the one hand. There is indeed a phenomenal increase, indeed really phenomenal, huge increase in this kind of commercial business endorsement, advertisement now. The possible main reason behind this trend is that this is a fixed template for giving any reason. Even you can use it for giving advantages like this. The possible main advantage behind this trend is that in the place of reason put advantage. That is also useful for advantageous type of essay. Now we are giving the reason why, so we are addressing that part of the question. The possible main reason behind this trend is that this is a fixed template. You can use it always. Businesses try hard to attract new customers and retain the existing ones to make massive profits. Massive means huge profits. Why do the businesses advertise like this? This is the reason. What is the reason? Businesses try hard to attract new customers and retain the existing ones to make massive profits, huge profits. Further, the first positive development is that now we are addressing the second part of the question. You have to address the question fully to get more score, to get more marks. Further, the first positive development is that this is also fixed template. If the products are new, these advertisements will help people to make the right decisions. This is the first advantage or positive development. Furthermore, the second one is that we are given a second development. Customers tend to research, tendency, natural behavior. Customers tend to research more about new products, so customers can make informed purchase decisions. So this is the second development, positive development. Furthermore, the second one is that customers tend to research more about new products so that customers can make informed purchase decisions. For example, we are giving example. A recent survey found that customers believe Colgate toothpaste advertisements are generally genuine, informative, and trustworthy. This is one way of giving example. For example, a recent survey found that customers believe Colgate toothpaste advertisements are generally genuine, informative, and trustworthy. This is the second paragraph, a part of the body of the essay. There are no difficult words, and I explain 2-3 difficult words. Now move to the third paragraph. That is also body of the essay. Just we write 2 paragraphs in the body of the essay. First paragraph introduction and last paragraph conclusion. This is our style of writing, just 4 paragraphs in our essay. Please pause the video and study the third paragraph, that is the body of the essay. Now listen to me. On the other hand, it is also a fact that this is a fixed template. Most business advertisements are exaggerated and imaginary in the present competitive market. You can infer this, you can generate this idea by studying the question again and again and with your background knowledge. Exaggerated, overstated. Okay? A negative development is that we are giving the negative development. A negative development is that most companies, businesses intentionally, wantedly mislead customers by saying their products are innovative, new, when the products are not in reality. Okay? Actually, the products are not new, but they just advertise like that. This trend is common in many countries because of the lack of strict implementation of the laws by the government departments concerned. That means related government departments. This is very easy, no difficult words. Okay, listen to me again. On the other hand, it is also a fact that fixed template, most business advertisements are exaggerated, overstated, and imaginary in the present competitive market. This is you can generate this by studying the question and with your background knowledge, of course. A negative development is that, this is also a way of starting negative development. A negative development is that most companies intentionally mislead customers by saying their products are innovative when the products are not in reality. This trend is common in many countries because of the lack of strict implementation of the laws by the government departments concerned. This is the third paragraph, body of the essay. Pause it and pause the video and study it again to understand better. Now move to the last paragraph, that is the conclusion. You study the conclusion. You may pause if you want, or you can take 4 or 5 seconds and study it. Now listen to me. To outline a possible inference, this is a fixed template. Okay, listen to me. To outline a positive inference, it is clear that the previously mentioned arguments have vindicated my stance totally without any ambiguity. This is a fixed conclusion, fixed sentence in the conclusion. To outline a possible inference, it is clear that the previously mentioned arguments have vindicated my stance, justified my stance, my stand, totally, without any ambiguity, without any confusion, without any unclarity or inclarity. It means that the positive developments outnumber the negative ones if the products are new, as said by the companies in their advertisements. This is a generated one. You can generate this one. You can infer this last sentence in the conclusion by studying the question, the introduction, the second and the third paragraphs. Okay? To outline a possible inference, it is clear that the previously mentioned arguments have vindicated my stance totally without any ambiguity, fixed one. And you can generate this last sentence in the conclusion to finish the essay. It means that the positive developments outnumber the negative ones if the products are new, as said by the companies in their advertisements. Okay friends, if you work hard on this essay, it won't be difficult. This is type 5 in our types of essays, and in IELTS it is a combination 1. Okay, practice again and again in writing or typing, because writing or typing will generate ideas, or will activate our brain more, so that you can generate ideas and you can remember better. Okay friends, thank you, and I'll see you again with the next video. Till then, bye for now. This is Mr. Chari NN, your faculty. Thank you.